Yes. Now let's see the procedure to cut the cords. So we'll be relaxing in this. We will be relaxing and we will be seeing how much time it takes for the procedure to come through. Okay. So I will be doing a meditation. I will be now starting the meditation in maybe 5 to 10 minutes because I don't want you not to cut your cords. Then activating your subconscious mind. Now, many of you may not be able to activate your subconscious mind. People usually in some kind of a depression cannot do it. People usually who are not used to using their third eye so much. So we'll be doing the activating the subconscious, and then we'll be doing the shielding. Shielding will be after the sessions. We will locate. So how will you locate? To locate, you'll have to use your hands. You'll have to close your eyes and see which part of your body has the cord. So you'll be using your hands, and I will be using my feeling centers, and then I will scan the cord. So scanning is like, I touch. So if I have to touch, I touch 2-3 inches. Suppose if there's a cord here, so I scan this area 2-3 inches here. How is this cord which is connecting? Suppose if there is some person who doesn't allow you to speak, your boss. So you will find that a lot of energy is jammed here, and there's a negative cord coming from here to here where he's controlling what you speak. So you will feel a lot of heavy and dense energy here. What we need to do is just take a pair of scissors, which we will find, and cut it, heal this. Okay, how to heal, I will tell you that time. Just follow my instructions. Don't go to sleep, please. Okay, and you can, if you are able to find 2-3 cords, good enough. If you're not able to find 2-3 cords, at least go in for one thing. Healing the feeling centers means wherever the cord is, we heal them, and then the final shielding of your aura so that the cords do not come back again. You can also do two things. Once it does not come back, you can do this same, close your eyes, do the same exercise tomorrow for 5 minutes, and one more time day after tomorrow. You have to complete it for 3 days. One day today, which I'm doing. Second day, close your eyes, just imagine the person, just heal yourself, see if the cord is coming. If the cord, no cord is coming, good. Tell the person, thank you so much for being in my life, it's over. Okay, and do it for the third day also. After that, it will not come back if you want to go the extra mile.